I'm on my way to the village to say hi to my auntie that I've not seen for a while. Welcome, and hope you'll enjoy this video. It is the following morning after arriving at my auntie's home. When you're in the village, these are the sounds you hear in the morning. Just listen. Very beautiful sounds. See the beautiful birds. What an amazing sight in the morning. After that, we go look for water. There's water in a nearby school where the community fetches the water for their daily needs. It's been very hot, no rain. So this water helps the communities in a school, and I'm very happy for the Community Development Fund for giving the community this water. I don't know how they've been surviving without this water around. Because some of them depend on the lake or the river. The rivers are dry. The lake is very far away. This is in Seme constituency in Kisumu. So it's not easy to get water, but at least the people living around here have water that helps them. So we need to get water home. So this is not something I'm not used to, but for today, we'll be able to carry water back home. And it's something that I really enjoy doing, just being able to fetch water in a way that usually I don't do. Most people are used to tap water, so this is a new one for me, and I really like it. I'm enjoying. Thanks very much to the school for allowing the community to use your water. You can see other community members also coming to fetch water here. Most people fetch water for cooking, for washing clothes, washing plates. Some fetch water for the animals to be able to drink, like those who have goats, those who have cows, those who have sheep. Those are the activities that most people have in the village. So they must get water somehow. So this water they can only fetch in the evening after the children have left school. These are day primary school. So the community members wait. Once the children have left, then they can come and fetch enough water for their needs. Some also go very early in the morning and fetch. So for us, we are fetching water in the morning. It's February, a very hot month. It's not been raining in Kenya. So we just pray for rain as well, so that people can get water and they can get water for their plants from the rain. So here are the plates that we want to wash. And that's what we call rack, where we put our plates after they've been washed. I need to tie my hair. So after washing our plates, We put them out in the sun so that they're able to dry. As I was washing plates, my auntie was making lunch for us. So she made ugali, which is made from corn flour, and omena. Omena is a delicacy, a fish that is loved by Kenyans. So this is what we're having for lunch. And it had just been fished a few hours ago from the lake. So this is very nice, very fresh. So we enjoyed our lunch. After having lunch, we had a break. Then after that, we embarked on starting to make dinner. And we started to make githeri or nyoyo, depending on where you come from. Then beans, a staple food in the village or in Kenya. It's loved by many. So it's what we put on the fire, and we want to use firewood. So first we put maize. It's a dry maize. Then later we'll put beans. So as you can see, here is the maize. We let it boil like for 1 hour. Then we wait. Once it starts becoming soft, we put the beans. So our githeri is ready. In my mother tongue, we call it nyoyo. So you can see this how it looks like, maize and beans. So we want to serve some to our neighbor. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. So you can go share that with your children. Thank you. We come to the end of this video. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe and like. See you in the next